Alright guys, so today is a special day for a special boy, and we have a big surprise for him today. Alright guys, so we are here at Plaza Constituyentes here in Querétaro, almost to El Pueblito, but we're here because we're going to over there a trampoline park called Elevant, and so come along with us.
We always love investing in experiences for our kids. I think it's important to make memories with them. I just love doing these things with them. I didn't get to jump. Honestly, I didn't feel like jumping today. And we were also trying to save money. So I was just like watching everyone jump and taking pictures and taking video. But we all had a great time. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
So we just finished jumping and decided to get some ice cream here at Dairy Queen for the birthday boy. Simon, is that yummy?
I didn't get ice cream.
I didn't get ice cream either. That's the downside to being a parent. Sometimes you don't get stuff.
This bear didn't
I did
have
jump
ice
though,
cream
so it was a lot of fun.
This bear did not have ice cream either. What?
So Simon, how does it feel to be 7?
Speechless.
so hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone.
5, 6, 7, 8,
I think of you
12,
and of all that you have done.
16. I did a plus one.
Anything would shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why.
Alright guys, so it is extremely bright outside. But we hope you enjoyed coming along with us. You know, it was a short video, but we had a lot of fun today at the trampoline park. And now we're home. My wife just finished lunch and the boys are in the pool. And so we're about to go eat.
Delicious guacamole.
Yep.
The guacamole.
But anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and tell Simon happy birthday in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.
Yep, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Adios.
We just wanted to say one last thing. Thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Miller for providing and making it possible for us to take Simon to the trampoline park for his birthday. It was the best birthday present and he loved it, and he loves you guys and misses you.
Thank you guys for your support, and we appreciate everything you do for us.
We love you guys.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.